Hi everyone. This is the last lesson in our 3D modeling for this academic year. Um, so let's look at uh, what we can do in the final lesson. I would like to teach you how to create your own 3D of yourself by using a simple photo. Okay, you need to prepare a photo, but if you can, you take a photo from four different angles: your front, your side, left, right, and the back. You will get a better result. Okay, but this one is you can try it out yourself. I show you the method. You need to go to this hyper3d.ai. This is a new AI software. So far is free to use. Once you come to this area, you need to have an email address of Google. So if you have a Gmail address, then you can use that to sign in. Okay, okay. So now I have signed in. So what I need to do now is very simple. Just go to this center here. Okay, we go to image. Let's add a photo. Okay, add a photo of myself. Okay, let me see where can I find a photo of myself. Okay, I can find my photo here. Okay, so I drag, then put inside this area. Okay, one enough. Okay, one photo is enough. Just to show you how great is this AI. So now you can add a few more as I mentioned. You can add in the left angle, right angle, back angle also. The AI will make a better 3D of yourself if you use multiple photos. Okay, doesn't matter. So we use this one photo and see how is the result. I've tested the result is quite good. Okay, doesn't matter. This is advertisement. Okay, see the words generating. Let's wait. Um, it will generate a very simple one first and wait for you to confirm. Once you confirm the object is fine, then it will go through a detailed generation. Okay, so this is a simple one. Okay, so we created. We can click here. We can click preview. Okay, see whether I can preview. Okay, you can turn because the AI actually is guessing what is behind. That's why you can see here is the hair is actually smooth because the AI do not know how my hair look like behind in a different angle. Of course, if you have different angle, it will be clearer in all this area. I tried a few times. Previously, I tried the one was quite fine. I think this is the screen capture. You see, the previous capture is slightly different. The previous generation was different from this one. Now I'm doing it the second time. Okay, so now you check if this object is fine, then you can just click this confirm. Okay, so you confirm it, it will start to generate. Okay, as you can see, this is the generated one, which is I would say acceptable because if you just want to print it out and just put it for display, probably it is in a cupboard display, it is fine. In a glass dome is fine. It looks acceptable. So what we need to do now is click the download button to download this object. But again, we have a small problem because what we generated is an object file. Okay, test, double click. This is an object file. Okay, so what we need to do is copy, Control C, copy. Then you can put it at outside. We just want to copy the object, so you paste the object outside. Okay, this is the object, and now we have to convert this object to STL format. So we have used this software in our one of the lesson. I told you how to make your object smaller. I introduce you this software called Mesh Mixer. Okay, you can use this Mesh Mixer, which is a free software. Now we import the object. Import the object now. Okay, this is the object. Okay, okay, this is the object. Okay, of course, if your, as I mentioned, this second generation is not so good. I have generated first one. It was nicer than this one. So it's actually it doesn't look like this. Okay, the previous one, if I can import back, let me see here. Open. No, 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 no. Sorry. I supposed to choose import, replace. Okay. This object. Okay, this was my previous one. Okay, this is one previous one. As you can see, is slightly different. Okay, so you may want to regenerate a few times and see which one is the best version. Okay, now press Ctrl A to select everything, and then go to export, and then export STL format. So you can put a name. Okay, in here like FONG. Um, this will be the STL format. Let's generate this object. Just click continue. Okay. Now what we need to do is we check the size of this file. Okay, phone is the one that I generated just now. And then what is the size? The size is 33 MB. 33 MB is too big to import into Tinkercad. Of course, if you do not want to do editing, it is fine. If you want to do some editing, you want to put yourself on a platform and put name, then you have to use Tinkercad. So how to make this file smaller is like this. Okay, accidentally click. So again, Control A, go to export, not export, go to edit, edit, Control A first, edit, and choose reduce. In the reduce area, select this one, maximum deviation. Maximum deviation. Okay. Ah, what setting? Yeah, it shouldn't look like this. Okay, anyway, use maximum deviation. I do not touch anything else. Use maximum deviation. After that, you use the export again. Okay, this time when you export, maybe okay, I believe I may have touched some of the settings um, because the one I exported earlier on was slightly better quality, and the size was reduced to. No, this is something wrong. Correct, there is something wrong. Okay, in my previous export, you can see first I export in XTL. I got 33 MB. I follow the same step, maximum deviation. Okay, then I got 22. Then I do it again, I get 19. Actually, when you get it 22, you should be able to import into your this Tinkercad to do editing, because less than 25 should be able to import. Okay, so this is how you can generate your own image. But again, as I say, because it's generated by AI, every time you generate, it might be the more picture you have. Okay, I mean, it's the same picture taken in different angle, the more accurate it will be. Okay, so you can say, oh, forget to see. Okay, forget. Here you can choose STL also. But again, if the STL is too big, you have to use back the same method. Open the STL file in Mesh Mixer, and then use select all, edit, reduce, and use maximum deviation to reduce the size. Okay, that's all for this exercise. This exercise for you to try at home. You may be accessing this file on lesson 7 or lesson 8. It depends on which class you are in. After that, you can try it out. If you can generate, it will be great. Okay, I'll look at your results if you after you try at home. Thank you.